We can attack the moth, even if it only lives one night, by hanging female pheromone diffusers in the trees where there are processional caterpillar nests. This saturates the air, disorientates male moths, and prevents it from reproducing. With a paintball gun, we can shoot at these nests small plastic balls containing the pheromone that spreads into the infected tree. But it is much more effective to attack the caterpillars by killing them at their nest, or by destroying this nest. Climbing the infested tree with a pruning shear is difficult and dangerous. Using a branch pruner while staying on the ground is quite easy, but it gets more complicated when you have to climb to the top of a ladder with a pruner in hand when the trees are tall. It is much better to do it from a boom elevator, but it requires a lot of resources. Traps can be placed around the trunk to intercept the caterpillars in procession when they descend from the tree during the spring to bring themselves underground. We have also at our disposal phytosanitary means of effective biological or chemical treatments, but they are mainly applicable to large areas. Infected trees are treated from the ground with a long lance connected to a tank containing biological or chemical insecticide. All these products are sprayed from a vehicle equipped with a spray gun, a turbine that propels a mixture of air and insecticide. When the area to be treated is large and inaccessible by a land vehicle, we can use a helicopter to spray the insecticide, or sometimes a large drone equipped accordingly with vertical sprayers that generously water above the trees, or more precisely, with a simple horizontal lance that specifically treats only one nest at a time. These aerial processes are certainly efficient, but very expensive, and require competence of an experienced pilot. When drones are used today to fight processionnary caterpillars, they are always large drones. They are heavy, several tens of kilos, and expensive, more than 10,000 euros. They are bulky and not easy to transport. As for a helicopter, they require the competence of an experienced pilot, but above all, they do not use what a drone can do on its own.